Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create glass morphism effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template, right? So we are going to elements and here you can simply search for flowers or whatever, right? So I've just searched for flowers and we are into the photos, and here you can select any of the flower image, right? For example, I have just chosen this image, right? Or you can select any other image as well, right? For example, I have selected this one and now I will delete the previous one and simply set this image as background, right? And we are going to duplicate this image and click on share, then download the current page only, and then we will simply click on download. Okay, it's getting download. Now we are going to elements again and here we will simply search for frame and we will select this one frame. You can choose any other frame as well, no requirement to choose the same frame, right? Now we are going to elements and here we will search for shape. Okay, and in the shape we will select this one, and for example let me arrange this one. Okay, we will increase little bit for the border and then send it back, send backward, right? Here we can arrange this in the center and then we can simply select this frame to change the color as well, right? Because it's a garden, so let's make it of green color. Then we will come to upload and then upload files, and then we will upload the downloaded image of flowers, right? So I have clicked on the downloaded image and uploaded it. Now we are going to drag and drop this image into the frame, and now we are going to double click on it and then increase the size of this image that we have dropped in the frame to fit the template so that it coincides with the background image, right? It's done. Now we are going to select this image and then click on edit, and here in the edit we will go to see all and here we will use the blur effect and then we will simply increase its blurriness, right? And then we will click outside, and as you can see, the glass morphism effect has been added to this image using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.